On the dynamic grid here, let me load this one. This is something else. Again, you'll see the cards where you can filter by program or whatever sort of filter you need. But what you can do is build your own 2x2, 3x3, whatever you want. It's configurable up here. And you can then pull in your projects into the 2x2 areas like you would in PowerPoint or similar tools, and immediately see on the right side the new ranking of these projects. I can also remove it if I want to, and then the ranking will change immediately. And this ranking number is stored, including the points somewhere else, that we can later use to do for what-if scenarios. And finally, of course, here we also have the dashboards, which is not Power BI, but a simple way to get an overview. Now let's try to move away from these portfolios and look at the cross-portfolio reporting. So if we go up to the report area, we have our Power Hub reports, and that's because Projectum and Power PPM has a service called Power Hub, which is in Azure. Here we store all information real time about whatever is going on in the tool, but also historical data and changes. So we have views like these where you can look at strategic information or filter by portfolios, for instance, and still be able to click anywhere in the views and see the real-time view and result of that information. We can also look at it in accordance to categorization of the different initiatives or programs, or our strategy, so the OKRs. Down here we then have other sections like a typical dashboard with red, green, yellow indicators, stage gate funnel, and lots more on the financial side. We have areas like financials and details, CapEx, OPEX, over time, for instance, and tracking also the highest cost variance, which is typically of interest to those in controlling. And then we have the timeline, which is cross, again, everything Gantt charts, and OKRs, and much more. What I want to show you is, in this case, this one, because here we can see the impact of having data and historical data. Here we're able to play the data because we know the points in time in the past. We can also go backwards in time, and we can even go to a point in time and click on items to see how it ended up right here, or seeing the path it took. Or play it again and then still be able to track those of interest. So this is how we can use data to create powerful dashboards that can even predict what's going to happen in the near-term future.